Thank you for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're doing a product review and unboxing video of Eagle Eyes auto lamps for a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And we have with us in the studio today, Miss Trish Saprano. Hi, Trish.
Hi. So we are unboxing the lights. As you can see, they are air sealed, Instapack foam product care. And I think there's more foam in here than there is light. At least it's packaged well. Shouldn't be broke. And here we have the first auto lamp.
All right, what does the quality look like? They look like they're made well?
Quality is nice and clear and shiny. And yes, they look very nice, Greg.
Excellent. All right, let's check them out and see how they fit in the vehicle. Thank you for joining us for this product review. Please like, subscribe, and share. And it's GreggFesto and Trish Saprano. We're out.
We're out.